Okay, ayan. Dito kami sa Dinalungan. Super ganda. Ang lakas po ng alon. Oh, ito po yung beach ng ate ko, si Ate Rainrose. Super ganda. Ay. Ito po kami natulog. 2 nights po kami rito. Okay. So, ang daming bangka. Ayan. O, pwedeng mag-bonfire. Mamayang gabi magbo-bonfire kami. So, ayan. Diba? Beautiful, beautiful.
Hindi kayo maliligo.
Kamaya. Okay. Ito yung kay Ate Maria. Imanang ko, katong-tong ko. Eh, ikin ko ka. Kinimanang ko, ikin ko ka nga. Doon lang kami pwede mag-usap. Ayan. So, ito yung gate. May tanim na pinya. So, ayan. May tanim na papaya. Salukuyan po yung kanilang reporting. So, Ate Rain.
Meron man ako alam to. Meron man po akong alam. Hindi ko po dapat ulit dahil ang katwiran ko, hindi ko naman sila sabing perfecto ako. Pero ginagawa ko. Gagawin ko lahat, pero kailangan lang po talaga.
Manang. Ito yung kubo. Kami natulog.
This is what the painter of my two nipa hat, that they make a mistake when they paint the nipa hat into a blue color, and that's not really the one I want to color, but that's what happened. It's a disaster, so I can't do anything anymore. This is what happened. So both kubo, they paint it into blue, so the whole area is all like just blue. Oh my god, this is the time that I really cry, because wow, the reason why I want the bamboo is because I want the natural color of the bamboo and not like this. Oh my god. So this is the look of the blue nipa hat now. Can you see this? Oh my God. What did they do to my bahay kubo? Oh my goodness. But that's what happened. I think this is a misunderstanding or lack of telling the workers. So yeah, they make a mistake, but we can't do anything anymore. That's what happened in there. So for the second time, I asked my brother to repaint the whole, the two nipa hat or the bahay kubo. So this is the color that they paint. So at least I like this color more. It's almost the same as the natural bamboo, but of course it's not the same because now every at least 1 year or 2 years you need to repaint it because it's in the ocean or beach. So the salt of the ocean or the water will make it like it's not will not last long, you know, the paint. But I think it's better. I'm happier on this color. So they repaint the inside and outside. So this is the inside now because before they make it also like all blue. So at least this time they make the wall white and then all the bed are the natural color of the bamboo. I forgot the color, but it's better for me. Okay.
Cabinet. Ayan na po, bumalik na ang kulay. Kulay bamboo na. So, rose bill. Rose blue. Rose. Eight to 10 persons kaya po ng isang kubo. Kung mga bata lang, kaya po.
And this is what happened on the second disaster because there's 3 typhoon or super typhoon that came to this area. And this is what happened to my beach resort.
Bye-bye tinang perdin, dalo yun. Tanay. Dati nga gitna. Katoy. Kinurokor ti dalo yun, titanom. Ati yan niyo. So ati tigit na sir. Ati malakit ti talaga nga naperdi sa ngwanan. Ti pinaka main gate mo. Ati pinakaalad na. Ti bandang daya. At itay alat na bandang laod ayos lang at ilasang wanan ti baybay ti napirde kasta ti tsura ti kotoy resort. Dito'y kubo. So ato'y yung mga nalagdat pinakapundasyon na. So dua ato'y duwa kubo. Ito dito yung pinaka kusinam. So atoy pantidanom da gitu rugro kita ato nga gapudya. Bye bye di manon toy. So atoy titilanganan. So atiti kusinam nagkaroon ti bot-bot dagiti yero nating ato natupakan ti kayo dagiti teammate na yung nga sang-sang ti kayo at ani nabuklat ta at ta basta ititsura na ati resort mo tatatoy. Dito ti kubo.
So what's my caretaker saying that almost all the resort, especially in Dinalungan, Aurora, are really bad. You know, it's destroyed by the 3 typhoons, especially the last typhoon. I think they called it Pipito. So that's what happened, you know. It's a disaster, it's a calamity, it's natural, so we cannot do any stop it. So I'm just so happy that still my 2 nipahat or my bahay kubo are still up, you know. So some are just need to repair, but of course my gate or the front now needs to be fixed. So at least, you know, it's not the whole place are washed out, but that's what they're saying. A lot of places are washed out.
Just titsura na. Data. Ay, tayo bye-bye mo.